Alright, guys, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about myself and who I am as a person, and then I'm going to tell you 6 aspects of my life that make me who I am. So the first aspect, of course, going to be my family. They make me who I am and who I'm going to be in the future, being able to draw off of their ideals and what they see different from me, and just being able to see the achievements that they have accomplished or even the mistakes that they've made in life and be able to learn from those is just a great way. And that's why I love the idea of having a family, being able to have people that are there for you, that care for you, always have your back. And this is why this is one of my first photos, because I see them every day. They're here every day. They're the first thing I see. And that's really the first thing you really have to learn about is your family, being able to connect with them in a way. And you can say it's a biological aspect or you can learn that aspect, but that is a thing that you're going to have to do first is be with a family. And the thing that you should look at from that is how can you love other people if you don't love your family. Next is religion. So I am a Baptist Christian. I do believe in God, and when I do have questions about that, I refer to the Bible for answers. And I usually don't like talking. People in general usually don't like talking about this subject because it is such a subject. People don't like talking about it, or some people don't believe, some people do believe, and it could end up hurting someone's feelings of talking about this. But I just want to let you guys know that I am a Christian and I do believe in God. So I'm just going to do that. Next, what this symbolizes, this picture is about being able to work hard, punching the clock, multitasking. So I am a pretty good multitasker. I've been working since I was 16. And really having a job is, I don't think I could function without having a job, honestly. I love the idea of working. So I don't know what I would be able to do, what I would do if I didn't have a job, if I only went to school and came home. I, I could not function like that. And this is what makes me who I am, a hardworking person, because being able to get out in the workforce and work for yourself, earn your own money, and it really teaches you lots of values. You learn different things in the workplace. You meet different people. You communicate different with other people, and you really get out there when you start working. And the sooner you do it, the better you're going to be off. And when you go out in the real world, when you're not with your parents, and that's what I do love about myself. That I just took that initiative and I went out and I got a job and I started working, and it's a big part of my life, working and doing hard work, and not necessarily hard work strenuous work. It's just working hard for yourself to better yourself and better who you are as a person. Next is fun. So I love having fun. So no matter who that's with, if that's with friends or your family, this picture here is actually me and my brother. We're in Florida. We go like every spring break. And just having fun is a way to cleanse you of all the stress of your life or whatever is going on in your life. Having fun can really reset that and bring you back and make you realize and look back on, I got this, I can do this. Being able to have fun, just smiling and laughing and talking with your family, your friends, whoever. Having fun is a big aspect of my life. And especially with your family, like, that's where you're going to learn to have fun. If you can't have fun with your family, it's just like not being able to love your family. If you can't love your family, you can't have fun with your family. How will you do that with other people? How can you do that with other people? That's why most of this is going to revolve about me and family, and having fun is a big aspect of that as well. It makes me who I am today. Next, one big goal of mine is especially graduating college, because education is something that you only gain from. You can't really come back from education. Once you have it, no one else can take that away from you. So that's why that is a big driving point in my life and makes me who I am, makes me a hard worker, makes me want to go out there and get in the workforce. Because once you have that degree and you have that experience, you can better find a better job, have better pay, and it's really good for you because you're going to go out there and you're going to be better. Basically, you're going to be able to provide for your family that you do end up having. And that's why college and being able to say I did it is a big aspect for me in my life. It makes me who I am, a hardworking person. Next and final goal of mine is having a family and a house and being able to provide for my own family, my own kids, my own wife. That's the end goal here, and I think that's the American dream that everyone really thinks about. So being able to get at the end of your life after working hard and going to college, being able to say, I did this and I did that, and looking back and seeing your grandchildren and just having that family values. That's what this mostly symbolizes, my family values. I have huge family values, and I believe that you should love your family because those are going to be the people that you can always go back to no matter what. They're always going to be there for you. And so this is my life and the aspects of it. Thank you for watching.